Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to add a new contact within NetSuite. So to do that, you're going to head over to lists. You're just going to simply scroll down over here to, there's a few different ways, under relationships, contacts, and click new. Now you might have different forms set up depending on the way your NetSuite expert has set it up for you. Now you can see in my case I've got two different forms up here. Now the different forms selected there will drive different fields that you need to fill in. Now you can see there's a wealth of information that needs to be added here. Anything with an asterisk is important. So if we have a look over here, the contact ultimately, is the most important piece. And then you've got your subsidiary that it will now belong to, which is your main grouping. You can see there's additional information such as communication that's happened with this contact, any addresses that relate to their marketing information, as well as system information on this to mark them as inactive, so when you no longer need them anymore. So if I come in over here and add a name, you can go gender if you want. This would go the full name over here, so like Hans S. Brown, got the full name over there. We can see if you fill in this over here, it's automatically populating the contact name. So it's recommended that you go and fill in the actual name fields here, like first, middle name, surname, etc., because this will auto-populate up here correctly. And then that way, if you ever need to, sync into another system like Kolleno where you're populating emails and information, then it's really important that all your data is organized correctly within NetSuite. So that's why we would recommend you make use of these fields correctly. Job title is another useful one, CFO or FM, whatever that may be. And once you're happy with all that information, quick and easy, hit save, and you are good to go.